how to make tab islands on Opera GX. So let's get started.
Alright, so now here we are in Opera GX. Now, unfortunately, the tab islands feature here in Opera GX is not present. But as an alternative, you have the workspaces, which basically works the same way, which is pretty similar because you could see different tabs in that certain group. So, for example, here in my workspace one, I could go for Google. And then here on my workspace 2, or you could also just think of this as tab island 2. In here, it could go for YouTube. So as you can see, in this way, you would have a different group of tabs on each workspace, which basically is very similar with tab islands. Now, if you'd want to know how you could add more workspace, you just simply want to right click on it here in your workspaces, and you should have the workspace one as default. You want to go click here on manage workspaces. And from here, you can now click here on add more workspaces, and then you can just modify your workspace like the icon name. And yeah, and next is if you can see this sidebar in here, what you need to do is to click here on the easy setup on the top right and make sure to toggle on show sidebar. And that's it for this video on how you'd be able to use sub islands in Opera GX, but with an alternative. Thank you for watching.